Math Skills page yesterday. And we got page 25, numbers 1 through 5 done. But we need to finish 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, you'll notice that Mrs. Murphy's just up here. Luckily, your guys did not. So, I'm just going to have to keep going. You'll keep going in yours. We're on number 6, and number 6 says, Old Town needs a fire station. Add a symbol for fire station to the map key and show it on the map. What do you think we could draw for a symbol of a fire station? What do you think, John?
We can put like cars on the outside.
Maybe cars. Okay, that's an okay idea, but I think there's maybe a better choice. Tyson.
Like a fire symbol.
Yeah, what is the fire symbol, do you know? Like just fire? Is that what you're saying? So Tyson says we could just draw like a fire symbol. That would work.
Okay, that's fire.
No, you need to sit. You can't just come up here whenever you want, because then I have everybody can get up here. You have to raise your hand and I'll call on you. Wyatt?
Or a fire truck.
A fire truck is another good idea. Mason?
I can't see.
He's not done yet. Well, what is that supposed to represent?
It's like a fire thing.
A fire hydrant? Oh, a fire extinguisher. So that's another good idea. Fire extinguisher. I was thinking Mason was drawing. You guys know those fire hydrants?
Yes,
I was thinking about those because they're around town, and when fire trucks need water, they go to those. So you pick. There's lots of good choices. You pick your symbol. You can do a fire symbol. You could do a fire truck. You could do a fire extinguisher. You could do a fire hydrant. Addie, did you have one more?
What's the name sign for that thing for the fire department?
Ooh, the symbol for the Grenada one? That I don't know off the top of my head. I'd have to drive by today and look. Okay, now you're gonna draw whatever it is. I went with Tyson's because I know I can draw like fire as best as I can. I know it doesn't look exactly like fire, but you draw what you want, and then put behind it fire, F-I-R-E, and then put an S period for station.
I don't have any more room on that.
Squeeze it in or put it below.
barely have any
On the
room,
map.
but I made it fit.
Just do your best to squeeze it in or put it below it. Okay.
Miss Murphy a little.
Now you need to put it on the map. Be right back with it.
Oh, I already have one.
So find a spot where you would like to put your fire station and copy that symbol.
My spot already took in there, so I can't do it.
When you have it on your map and you have it in your key, would you nicely X off number 6?
That's what I paid. Yours is way above mine, see?
Oh, wow,
Miss
yours
Murphy.
is way down there. I have a fire hydrant down there.
Miss Murphy, look.
I have
Look
my
at my
fire
fire
station
station,
and like
right
50
where
fire
you
hydrants.
put your. I got my park fire.
Awesome.
Yeah, Miss
This is
Murphy. I
Okay.
did an F for fire station.
Did you put an F? Good. All right, number 7 says, what does this stand for on the map? So look at this. Add the word next to the symbol in the key. And then label this on the map. Actually, what we're just going to do is we're going to put it just in the key. Let's not worry about labeling it on the map. So who knows what that represents? Addie, what do you think?
A mountain.
Mountains. So I know you're going to maybe not have a lot of room, but you're going to have to squeeze in as best as you can.
Can I put it just wide mountains?
You're going to put it as best as you can by up here. Mountains. M-O-U. Now Mrs. Murphy's spreading hers out because I want you guys to be able to see it. N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains. So that's all we are going to do for number 7. And then cross it up. X off number 7. So Aria, get out your map skills book. put in a fire station symbol, put in a fire station, and then write mountains near the picture of the mountains. Number 8. Where would you like to live in Old Town? Add a new house. Add a new neighborhood. Show the houses and label your house. So find a spot where you would like to live. Now I know I would love to live by the lake. That's where Mrs. Murphy would love to live.
I'm gonna live by the
So I'm gonna draw my house, and all you really have to do is you can make the houses like those. Mine might be a little different because I like my roofs to be more of a triangle because it's easier and quicker.
Mine's gonna be a big house.
Okay? Now it's a neighborhood. So should I just draw one house? No.
No.
So draw at least 2, 3, 4 houses, and then you can put your name or you can just put my.
I made a mansion.
Mine too. Mine's
And I'll know that's your
I
house.
live up by
My
the
house.
river and the mountains because.
Oh, that would be a-
Don't forget the White
Ooh,
House.
is that where you put your house?
Kind of, yeah.
Ooh, that's a really good idea, Raylan.
Well, my house is more.
Because
I
the
don't know exactly.
river catches more fish, it puts them downstream. I
Good
put it by
idea.
Lake Riley.
Uh-huh.
Then I'm close to school, so then I'm
These
gonna
could be
have
my
maintenance
neighbor.
about that.
That could be your
Or
neighbor.
just live in the mountains.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm living in the mountains.
By the Mississippi River.
It's
live
two
in
middle names river. Wayne
your name,
River.
right? The river,
Okay, now when you get your house done and your neighborhood, would you nicely X off number 8? And then we have 2 more to go.
Listen, Mowgli, look at I live here in the lighthouse.
Quiet.
That's mine. You can't live in a white. I mean, you could, but it would be weird to live in a lighthouse.
Okay, now
Mine's this.
everybody should have their house. Now, number 9 says you need to draw the route from your house to your school. Now you can decide whether you go to the old school or wherever your new school is. So you decide which school do you want to go to, and then take your pencil and start at your house and draw your route to school. So Mrs. Murphy's just going to go to the old school, and I'm going to draw my route.
I went to the old school because that's farther away.
Is it okay?
Mine is short, like yours was short.
Mine is far away I have like the short.
Mine is right where your house is, and mine is right where. This is not my house. This is my way. Where to the new?
So I just float down. I just walk over, float down the river.
Look at Edwin.
What?
Look, this is the school
Let's
for
do this
president.
Okay, when you have
And
number
this is the
9
White
done, put a
House.
nice X over that, and we'll do the last one.
Thank goodness that we don't have to write a word. Number 10.
Okay,
Number 10.
number 10. This is kind of a fun one because you need to think. What else would you like to add to Old Town? Think of 2 more things or places to add. Make a symbol for them and then add them to the key in the map. So Wyatt, do you have an idea of what you're going to add?
A river boat.
A river boat.
Because there is a river.
Okay, so maybe like a boat landing or station. Okay, great idea. So you would put that, can you put that there and then also put in your key? And if you don't have room to,
full.
listen, if you don't have room to like squish in your key, just put it underneath on the grass. You don't have to label it because I know your guys' are getting full. So, but try to do it there and then try to put it on your map. Addie, what are you gonna add?
Walmart.
So you're gonna add a store. Addie, I was just thinking of doing that for mine too. What are you gonna do to represent Walmart? Did you have an idea? Because if you don't, I have an idea.
A W?
Well, you could draw 2 places and then a line, then draw 2 doors because that's how you enter.
Yes, I like that idea. Mrs. Murphy has an idea for stores. Whenever I go to the store, what do I grab when I walk in?
Cart.
A cart. So that would be another idea. I like Addie's, but if you wanted to do like a grocery cart, that definitely would represent a store. And that's what I was gonna do. I'm gonna put a store right here.
I'm gonna put it on
Right by the stores.
Yep.
I'm gonna make it kind of.
Oh, guess what? There is a store, isn't there?
Yeah, but I still want Walmart. That's Hy-Vee in Mexican.
Maybe this is gonna be a grocery store. I'm gonna put a G store. Grocery store.
I'm putting
a Gucci store.
Okay, Raylan, what are you gonna do?
Well, this I guess this just was for the store.
Yeah, you have an idea for that?
I'm doing this.
How do you spell Gucci? The Walmart thing, it's like just like a couple lines.
So you could draw the symbol for it, right? Is that what you're
And it's
thinking?
pretty small. It's not like,
How do you spell Gucci?
I'll be there in a minute. Let's just take ideas first. Well, Mason.
A beach.
A beach. I like that idea. What could you do? What could you do for a beach, Mason?
Those umbrellas.
Umbrellas. Exactly. Mason has a great idea. You could do a beach with an umbrella. I like that idea, Mason. So you could draw an umbrella. Oh, that's not a very good umbrella.
look at it.
Miss Murphy.
Okay.
My route, I used to take
Okay.
it. I used to go across the river, and then
So I'm gonna put a beach down here.
just take that route over to here. But then I was because I was adding a river boat. Why not just take the river boat?
I have a Gucci. If
All right. Any other ideas? Arya, did you have an idea?
Yes.
Okay. What's your idea?
We can put Target.
Say it one more time, honey.
Target.
A Target. So that would be a store, right? That's a great idea.
Ooh, Target.
What
I
about Taco Bell?
Mrs. Murphy was thinking because I love lakes and rivers, but I also love going to the
Golf course.
a golf course or a pool. I was thinking of a pool.
The lake is
Oh,
the pool.
like what we had last year. That
The
one.
lake can be the pool.
So it could, but a pool is nice and clear and clean. A lake is not.
Taco Bell.
So you can do a pool,
Done.
Pool. I got.
and mine is a diving board. That's a diving board.
I got the symbol.
No,
I got a symbol.
Golf course.
A golf course, a flag.
I'm done. Me too.
Oh, and like a golf club. Good idea.